Okay. Now leave one network which is repeating itself and assume rest of the network. Assume rest of the network has X resultant. Okay, this is your step one. So I will leave this as one complete network, 1 and 2 ohm, and I'll assume rest of the network has X equivalent. Okay, so this is 1 ohm, this is 2 ohm. I kept one network with me, and rest of the network I'm assuming as X. I need out in this. Rest of the see where I made division line. Look carefully where I made division line. This is my division line, and this point is very important. Leave one network which is repeating itself and assume rest of the network as X. Okay, so this is X.
So, but why we are doing this?
Because we cannot get value of infinite ladder. We cannot keep solving infinite times. We don't have that much time. Now, I'll tell you how to solve. Step two is to find equivalent resistance between AB. Find RAB. This is step 2. So what is equivalent of these two? 2x upon 2 plus x. So you got 1 ohm, and here you got 2x upon 2 plus x. So you got equivalent resistance between A and B. You got RAB as 1 plus 2x upon 2 plus x. Now tell me everyone, when we added infinite network, how much we got resultant? When we added infinite networks, we got equivalent as X. We assumed equivalent X. So in X, even if we add one more network, approximately we should get resultant.
X.
Tell me. Yes, yes. Now your step 3 is put RAB is equal to X. Okay. So simply you can put RAB is equal to X in this equation. RAB is equal to 1 plus 2x upon 2 plus x. This must be equal to x because you added infinite network. Even if you add one more network, what is there? It will remain x. From here, you will get a quadratic equation. When you will solve this quadratic equation, you will get answer. Okay, so x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation, बच्चों. So x is equal to 1 plus minus 1 minus minus plus 8 2. See, resistance cannot be negative. So our final answer is 2 ohm. Please cross check my calculation. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No,
If
sir.
anyone have any doubt, please ask. No doubt. Okay. Give me 1 minute. अरे मैंने इतने सारे इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकलवाए थे, इसमें एक भी नहीं है. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कहाँ है बेटा? बहुत सारे निकलवाए थे ना. Meanwhile, you solve this question, बच्चों. Let's see you learned or not. Still, you need some help. और एक असाइनमेंट भी दिया था ना रेजिस्टेंस का. Some question. Run. Something is missing, I think. Which questions काम है? खैर छोड़. Find equivalent resistance between A and जैसे infinite ladder ही नहीं है. बिना infinite ladder के कैसे चलेगा? इसमें करा ही नहीं. Leave it. चलो बच्चों, tell me answer of this question. What you will assume X? What will you assume X?
Repeating network.
Means. Tell me